Cashback not tracking usually happens when the app can't properly connect your purchase or game activity back to your original install, often because tracking permissions or the redirect path got interrupted. By the end, you'll know exactly how to fix Giraffe when cashback isn't showing up, and how to prevent it from breaking again on future offers. First thing to check is tracking permissions inside your phone settings. On Android, apps rely on AD and usage tracking to confirm where the install came from. If those permissions are blocked, Giraffe can't verify your activity, so the cashback never registers. Go into your device settings, open privacy or ads settings, and make sure tracking-related permissions are enabled for both the system and the app. Next is the most common issue: breaking the app flow when you switch apps or browsers. Cashback only works when you start the offer inside Giraffe and complete everything in the same session path. If you open the offer, get redirected, then switch apps, close tabs, or manually search for the game instead of installing through the link, the tracking chain breaks. The fix is simple. Always launch the offer directly from inside Giraffe, and avoid opening the store page separately. Another major cause is background interference. VPNs, ad blockers, and aggressive battery optimization can stop tracking scripts from running properly. If you're using a VPN, turn it off before starting any offer. Do the same for ad blocking apps or private DNS tools. Then check battery settings and set Giraffe to unrestricted or allow background activity, so the app doesn't get paused mid-tracking. If everything looks correct and cashback is still missing, the issue is usually delayed reporting or a failed attribution. At that point, open the missing reward inside the app and check if there's an option to report or review the offer. When you contact support, include the offer name and the exact time you completed it, so they can trace it in their system. To keep things stable going forward, always install through the in-app link, avoid switching networks mid-offer, and keep tracking permissions enabled. Quick recap: tracking permissions control whether cashback can be recorded, the install path must stay unbroken, and VPN or battery restrictions often silently block tracking. Fix those three things first. Then test a new offer before assuming the system is broken. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes for reward apps and payment tracking issues.